Hello friends, welcome to this video tutorial by Perfect Web Solutions. My name is Imran Qasim, and in today's video tutorial we are going to see that how can we redirect users after they log out from the WP admin dashboard. When you normally log into your admin dashboard, let me show you. This is our sample website. So when you log in and press logout button. Normally when you log in and press on logout button, it will take you back to the login screen, WP login screen. But sometimes you want that it will redirect the users to the home page after they press logout button. So what you need to do, we need to use an action hook called WP logout. This action hook is responsible for redirecting safely to the home page or any page you like. I mean, if you want to redirect user to another page other than home page, you can mention that. But in this tutorial, we only see that how can we redirect them to the home page. So open your favorite text editor and your active theme currently, which is active on your installation. Mine is 2017 child theme. So in the function.php, let me zoom in a bit. In function.php file, I will write, sorry, add action WP logout. That when a user logouts, this hook is responsible for doing a particular action. So against this, I can add a function like redirect user after logout. So this function will redirect user after logout. To redirect user, there are two major functions available inside WordPress. One is WP redirect and one is WP safe redirect. The WP safe redirect is more secure than WP redirect, but both of these functions will not redirect any third-party URL. I will let you know later. First, you just type here WP safe redirect, and here you will put the code 301 or 302 temporary redirect or permanent redirect. So this one is mostly not necessary, as this will always happen when you log out. So here we only say home URL. What it will do, it will take you to the home URL, as well as we need to put an exit function here. That is a must, that if there is any code after that, it shouldn't be executed. After doing this, you just need to go to your admin dashboard, click login, and you will see that when I press logout, it will take me to the home page rather than taking me to the login screen again. Sorry. After I'm sorry, I think I didn't save the file. Yeah, I didn't save it. So click save button, and after saving it, then you reload the page, and the function will be active again. So now, if I press the logout button, you see it will redirect me to the home page. You can redirect into any category or any page, but if you want to redirect it to another third-party URL, suppose that I want to redirect it to google.com. If I put here http google.com, you will see it won't redirect it. Let me show you. Now I have, as you can see, I have put here. So just I will log in, and now if I press logout, you see it didn't redirect me to the Google page. It redirects me back to the login screen. So for this, we cannot even use WP redirect. Suppose if I use WP redirect now, oh, so with WP safe redirect, you can redirect only to the your current domain, and to use WP redirect, you can redirect it to any other domain. There is another PHP function also which we can use, is header. In header, we define a location location, and then we can redirect user. You see, login, and now I will use logout, and it will, after logging it out, it will also redirect me to the google.com which we have. So WP redirect is used to redirect to any other website, whereas WP safe redirect will only use the current domain which you are logged in. So these are two functions, WP redirect and WP safe redirect inside WordPress, which are able to help you to redirect on some conditions. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you liked it, and please do subscribe if you like it and press the like button as well.